Hey guys, join me today as we make these smash burgers right on the oven range. You can do this with any store-bought ground beef, but we really found that to maximize your flavor, the flavor that we like, we bought this grass-fed beef from the local butcher. It's actually a ground sirloin. And we're getting our operation ready to go here for smash burgers. So this is going to be for our onions, and then this is for the meat right here. So we're going ahead and start with the onions. Got it on medium. Putting olive oil in both of them. Preheating the pan here for this one. Oh, they smell good. Here's our beef ready to go for the smash burgers. Onion powder. Garlic powder. We're just forming them into really thin patties. I'm going to cut up some Trader Joe kosher dill pickles. How I like to do them is, you see how this starts to form on the top there? Once it gets a little bit more, then we flip them. How long would you say these things take to cook?
12 minutes.
Good. Oh yeah. What kind of cheese is that?
Cheddar, organic.
And we're just taking these off the heat. This is how we like them done. It helps to put the top on there to get the cheese melted. And nice onions on there on top of those pickles. It's just how we like it. And we just put them on a paper towel here to kind of soak up the grease and cool off for a minute. That looks good. These are delicious. Give it a go.